Plant-based skincare ingredients are nothing new. They've been used for centuries to care for our skin and bodies. Since plants can't move away from danger, they have developed unique qualities to ensure their survival. Many of the most effective skincare ingredients come from plants that have adapted to survive in the harshest climates. The desert is one of those climates. With its arid soil, low humidity, high UV radiation, and intense heat, cacti have become combative plants. The prickly pear cactus is one that provides us with our newest kristi ingredient, aquacactine. In our most recent formulation upgrades, aquacactine was added to our biopeptide serum, making this already amazing anti-aging serum even better. Living in Tucson, we are surrounded by these beautiful cacti, so what better ingredient to use to care for our skin? The prickly pear cacti have developed high moisture retaining ability and resistance to UV radiation, which are characteristics that we can use more of in our skin. Aquacactine is made from the extracts of a prickly pear fruit and has been found to be an effective ingredient for skin hydration, nutrition, and protection. Aquacactine is being called the next generation aloe vera. Ultra-refined aloe vera elixir is rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins to protect, soothe, and moisturize the skin. It also protects against environmental stressors that we are bombarded with every day to firm and hydrate on a deep level. So how does it work? Aquacactine provides your skin with vitamins A, B, and C, and vital nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It also has a high concentration of prussic acid, which is a potent antioxidant that plays a role in UV protection. In clinical studies, they found that adding aquacactine to skincare products enhanced the product's ability to soothe, firm, and hydrate the skin, and who doesn't need more of that? At Kristi, we believe in innovative plant-based ingredients to deliver anti-aging results that you will love. If you can have beautiful skin in the harsh desert climate, then you can have beautiful skin anywhere.